Welcome to the International Introduction to Securities and Investment course. Our dashboard provides an overview of your progress, including overall completion, chapters read, and mock exams done. You can easily access chapter summaries, a quick cheat sheet, flashcards, and the mock exam engine. The Summaries section offers distilled expert content for each chapter, aligning with the official syllabus. Here you can read detailed chapter overviews for a deeper understanding of the material. In the summaries, you'll also find key components like examinable areas, common pitfalls, exam tricks, additional exam notes, and numerical values for a comprehensive review. The summaries page is structured by chapter, listing the main topics of the course, from the economic environment to regulation and ethics. The quick cheat sheet is a searchable reference for definitions, key numbers, rules, principles, and exam traps, ensuring you have all essential memorization points in one place. Flashcards utilize active recall, an effective method for memorizing key rules and facts. Use the deck to test your knowledge on various topics. Simply click to reveal the answer and mark whether you got it to track your mastery progress for each flashcard. The Mock Exam Hub includes 4 unique, full-length practice exams: Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed, each designed to test different aspects of your knowledge with unlimited attempts. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see details on the number of questions and time limit. Remember, you can review explanations for all questions after submission. During the exam, you can track your progress and time remaining. Select your answer and proceed to the next question using the Next button. After submitting, the exam results page provides a detailed correction review, showing the correct answer, your selection, and a clear explanation for each question. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available to help you. Ask it anything about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics for immediate assistance.